नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आई वेलकम all of you in today practical session of miasm, in which we will discuss about the symptoms of hair. Now, in syphilis, hair is oily, greasy, and moist eruptions. In the last lecture, we discussed about the symptoms of hair related to psora and psychosis. So, in psora, there is dryness, roughness in psora, miasm, but in syphilis, there is hair is oily. In psora, hair is dry. In syphilis, hair is oily, greasy, and moist eruption. But in psora, there is dry eruption, roughness. There can often be a sour, fudged, or metallic odor. There is a typical odor from the hairs in syphilitic miasm, that is the fetid metallic odor. And in psychosis there is fishy taste, fishy smell, musty smell, dandruff with thick yellow crust, hairs falls out from the eyebrows, eyelashes and beard. Dandruff with thick yellow crust. There is thickness, yellow crust, and in syphilis there is dandruff is brown like dry dandruff, and in syphilitic dandruff there is some moisture feel. Hairs falls out from the eyebrows, eyelashes, from the beard. People complain that eyelashes break and turns inward. That is very peculiar कि eyelashes break and turn inward, causing much irritation to the conjunctiva. So due to this inward movement of eyelashes, it causes irritation on the conjunctiva. Now the tubercular hairs may be dry, rough, break and split easily, or oily and moist, stick and glue together. So in tubercular miasm, this miasm is made up of psora and syphilitic. If in tubercular there is psoric predominance, then hairs becomes dry, rough, break easily, split easily. But if syphilitic part is predominant, then there is oiliness, stickiness, moistness and glueness we can find in syphilitic miasm. There may be a thick yellow crust of pus with offensive musty odor. So pus is thick and yellow and offensive. Next is the hairs is like to fall out after parturition, just like the psora miasm. Hair is like to fall out after parturition. This symptom also present in the psora miasm, and along with there is hair falling after acute disease also we find in the psora miasm. So our hair part is complete with comparison of psora, psychosis, syphilis and tubercular, and I think there will be no difficulty in miasm diagnosis of the related part like psora, head, ear, vertigo, as we discussed already. Thank you.